Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
President jangka United States of America Donald Trump la Byrthen ban Ther bom Biang yaki Iran la kadang nuot ban Sdang Biang yaki kam nuklear jangka. Utram la Byrthen balada ke Iran kadang klong uranium ban syari ki nuklear bom unum kanan AA Henry unju Ther bom baik kumbele hakini kisngi ki baladem. Kediga jing maham utram kediru hadian bagi Iran kelashim yakarai bahkan ometre langshu bagi International Atomic Energy Agency kepada ganong pet perman jangka United Nations halagi kam nuklear. Uminti ke tenat korbari jangka Iran Usayyad Abbas Arakshi ulong bagi kediga jing Byrthen utram kediga dak jangka jing bom buram shu peranong ilam khamtam yunong sensyar bakli du jangka Iran wa Ayatollah Khamenei. Ulong ru baka US kelek kepabha baka Israel ru kelek ya ke US kemudian ukpa jangka benlet ya thu penshoy bakla ting pelat ya ke Iran. Ulong balada ke Iran ka syak thom da ka bor karukan haban peni ya ke dur basisha jangka ya ke ba hadu menta kampat lek kamta. Ulakin tu yu President Trump balada ukwa panyekran ban ya pinbaj ude banang ke ketin ban kran berude ban buram yu noilam jangki Iran wa Ayatollah Khamenei bagi nong shoshnong ke Iran.
If the intelligence reports conclude that Iran can enrich uranium to a level that concerns you, would you consider bombing the country again?
Without question, absolutely.
And have you had any...
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.